Car wash. Check it out, guys. Getting the car wash. Is it raining?
His face.
Here it comes.
He's like, I am unimpressed. He's afraid of it.
He's like, wait. I know, guys.
Don't start whining now. Oh my goodness. Puppies. Carmel, Blackie. Carmel, you're shaking up. You're not wet, you doofus. She's like, I can't help it. I have the weird sensation that I'm wet. You are not wet.
Sure is hot. See, it never gets that
my
back
grief.
window.
You always say that, but...
Whoa! Dang! I'm not gonna lie, that was a little stressful.
Like, what the heck?
Look, pretty
Blackie.
so rainbows. Look at it.
Yeah, I know. It's not that exciting.
They stink.
That is rude.
They do.
You're mean. Carmel, don't get on my lap.
Bats. Whew. Especially in the heat.
Okay, as long as one of you get off. I mean, gets off. Oh, no, you're going down there.
I guess I shouldn't have picked the good car wash.
You're too close to the camera.
This is the color polish, I guess.
I can't just from both of them.
It's like shaking the car. It's okay, look at
Okay, I
Carmel.
should've been at something.
He's like, wait a minute, what's going on?
She doesn't like loud noises. She shakes when you pop bubble wrap. She shakes for a solid 5 minutes when you pop one single piece of bubble wrap.
I need to
Like
watch.
just one
Yeah.
bubble, not the
I
whole
need to
sheet.
watch the
just one.
windshield inside too, because it's funky.
He's like, I'm out of here.
Right down all the stuff. Almost done, guys.
There's like one of those slow motion parts in the movie where someone crashes and drowns or something in a flood.
Oh gosh, it hit me.
Blackie's thriving. Carmel's not so much.
Yeah.
animals. She's so cute. Is this video too long for the VI?
Oh gosh.
I didn't realize how long.
It may not let you.
I forget how long a car wash is.
Alright. Yay.
How dare you tell me what to do?